side of you, Colleen. Come on, baby. It's my baby. It's my baby.
Ready?
Come on, keep on pedaling. Keep on pedaling.
Look ahead.
Go
Straight ahead.
Look ahead at me, Kelly.
Straight ahead. Steer.
Kelly, look at me. Look at me. Right here.
Steer where you want to go.
Right here. Watch where you go, Kelly. Up here. Okay? Up here. Okay. I'm the birdie, okay, Kelly?
You steer where you want to go, Colleen. Use your... Pay attention.
Up here. Up here. You gotta keep on pedaling.
Good,
Up here.
Colleen.
Up here. Up here. Up here. Whoa.
Gotta teach her how to turn around.
Keep on pedaling. Keep on pedaling. Keep on pedaling. Look up here. Kelly, don't get too excited, but you go off. Play.
When you bring it up to the end, right?
Up here. Up here. Up here. Up here.
Jessica. What'd I miss?
See their excitement the first time.
I thought you were hurrying me to go fishing.
Whoa!
Keep going, keep going.
Keep your head up. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Don't stop. Make Daddy run. Good girl. Keep pedaling. Steer. Damn, still smells. My hands stink.
Right in with that white diamond stuff.
No, because then I'll get insects all over them. Skeeters. Pay attention where you're going, Kyle. Keep pedaling. Pedal faster.
Alright, ready to go fishing?
Ride our bike?
Now raise your feet for you, okay?
Are we gonna ride our bike?
Now we're gonna ride our bikes.
Whoa, that's greasy, but they're sweaty. But can we fall off easily?
Alright.
Now are
I'll
we
raise
gonna
the
ride
seat
our
for you,
bikes?
because you know what? You're supposed to not really be able to touch. Okay, we gotta get going now.
Me and Mommy are gonna ride our bikes.
High five.
Get a picture of it.
High five.
Tommy, try to do it all by yourself, okay? Alright.
There you go.
Get out of the way.
Put your brakes on instead of putting your legs down. Put your brakes on instead of your legs, Cal.
His head turns a bit.
Can she start it by herself? Put the pedal up and push it forward, honey.
I can go like this.
That's good. You're balancing. She did that herself? Proud Papa.
You get up tomorrow and you practice a lot. You can ride your bike instead of watching television. You can ride your bike and practice. Can you imagine what's his name riding around the block when he was younger than her?
No.
What do you mean, right on the block?
Pedal faster. Faster. Pedal, pedal hard. Come on. Pedal, Colleen. Keep going. Keep pedaling.
See, you can do it, can't you?
Dude, who's Heather? Dude, who's Heather? Look up. Dude, look up. No.
Is it like Disney World, Colleen?
What?
Is it like a fun ride?
Yeah, it's so fun. I love riding my bike. Dad, hold on. What's that girl's name up the street?
Michelle.
Wait.
Michelle, that's right.
Haven't
Sit.
you?
Heather's your big sister.
Look, Dad. That's the dog when I. Okay. Ready? I'll hold it back. Wait, Jesse, hold some. Hold it for a long time.
Kick the paddle forward and step on the. No, Kelly.
There you go.